Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Every single one of you must have this coin in your stack. It should also make up a good percentage of your stack. This coin is hands down the most recognizable, universally accepted piece of silver in the world. This video, we're going to be diving into the importance of silver eagles. Imagine if everyone in the world spoke the same language. Imagine how beneficial that would be. Imagine how much progress we could make. That's what this coin is on a monetary scale. This coin is recognizable across the world. Everyone sees this coin and they know that it has value. They might not know why, but they know it's valuable. Even people that don't stack silver would see this coin and they know it's valuable. So that's very, very beneficial. The US is obviously the richest country in the world because we own the most gold. But besides the point, people respect us. And this coin represents everything about the United States. Now, this is a bullion coin. So not only is it the perfect coin to have for, let's say, SHTF bartering situations, so on and so forth, but it's also the cheapest. The design stays the same every year. It's a perfect bullion coin for all those other reasons. The Canadian Maple Leafs are similar. The design stays the same, but they're not as recognizable and they don't have the same benefits as all the other previously things I mentioned about this coin. So it makes more sense to have Eagles than Maple Leafs. Plus, Maple Leafs always milk spot on me. Every single one of my Maple Leafs that aren't reverse proof have milk spotted. Now, when we're looking at silver stacking, especially as a beginner, you want to build as many ounces as you can for as cheap as possible, right? That's the main goal as a beginner. You need to accumulate a nice foundation, and that should be mostly made up of American Eagles. You can go different directions. You can go generic silver. You can go the poured bars round. You can go cast bars. But to me, American Eagles are definitely definitely going to make your stack stronger, more liquid, and just makes more sense at the end of the day. Why would I spend my money on a generic round when an American Eagle's a couple bucks more? Plus, they're starting to almost gain numismatic value. Nowadays, American Eagles are around the same price as a Panda. That's crazy. Before, American Eagles were around $2 over spot at max. Nowadays, they're $10 over spot. They're selling American Eagles for $30, $35. And that's because silver scarcity. There's a shortage of silver and shortage of American Eagles. Last year, or I guess this year, technically, in the beginning of the year, there was a huge silver shortage. The U.S. Mint sold out of American Eagles. They're actually making an emergency supply or emergency 1 million minted Eagles from the San Francisco Mint to make up. And that's something that rarely happens. Rarely. And not only that, but we also have to think about moving forwards. This is by far the most liquid coin. This coin you could sell at the snap of a finger, anywhere to anyone. List it on eBay, go to your local coin shop, they'll buy it from you. You could trade it, it's recognizable. Imagine bartering, being in a bartering situation, and you want to trade with someone. We could even go post-apocalyptic, we can go whatever we want. If you're trying to trade or barter, the main thing is that people trust you, that they know your silver is legit. Or even if we're not going into that severe of a scenario, go into your local coin shop or buying from someone on eBay or making a trade. People want to make sure the silver is legit. And people see this coin and they know it's legit. Imagine trying to trade some generic round from some mint that nobody's heard of, right? Only silver stackers know about Sunshine Mint. know about Vocambi, know about all these off-brand mints. So it's going to be a lot more, I guess, sketchy, or a lot more stressful, because it's not going to be as easy to trade or for people to trust you. They might think that coin is fake. So that's one of the reasons. There's many other reasons. My main thing though, my main thing right now that we have to focus on is spot price and when it's going to be time to buy. Because even though this is a bullion coin, that doesn't mean it's going to be sold for a bullion price. If we already see American Eagles at $30 an ounce, and that's because we're starting to see the beginning of silver scarcity, imagine when demand picks up with solar panels, 5G technology, electric vehicles, silver lithium batteries, the everyday investors like you and I that are buying silver because it's becoming more popular in mainstream media. The people that are buying ETFs and all these ETPs, and they're trading for physical silver. Imagine how much the demand's going to go up with the supply shortage. Scarcity's just in the beginning. We're just now starting to see these extremely high premiums on American Eagles. So imagine in a year or two from now, American Eagles could be worth more than pandas. Pandas are more of a collectible coin. So there's collector value. But as time goes on, as silver is more needed, that could surpass collector value. It honestly could. When silver's needed versus wanted, that price, that value could exceed a collector's price. It honestly could. Because think about this. We need silver for the next iPhone. The silver collector, they don't need that coin. They want it for personal reasons. Maybe sentimental value. Maybe they're trying to complete their collection of pandas. But at the end of the day, if we want the world to keep running, if you want your laptop to keep working, if you want the newest, latest iPhone, if you want your Tesla, they need silver inside of that. So yes, there is silver inside of that 1 ounce panda, but you would have to be selling it at spot price or with the bullion prices. So what's the point of paying that extra $3, $4, $5 if it's going to be sold, or if you could get it cheaper with an American Eagle? It all depends. It's all speculative, because I still and I'm always going to love pandas. I'm going to always be buying pandas. Always. It's my favorite coin. Not only for collectible reasons, not only for profitable reasons, but also because I see it makes sense to me. The design changes every year, lower mintage numbers, pretty recognizable coin, not as much as American Eagles, but I like that coin. American Eagles I use for different reasons. If spot price, see, American Eagles are risky for this reason and this reason only. Let's say I have one panda, and let's say I have one American Eagle. I have 2 ounces in my entire stack, right? This is just in theory, okay? Let's just pretend right now. I have 2 ounces, one American Eagle and one panda. In 10 years from now, if spot price is still $25, then that American Eagle is still worth $25. But that panda could be worth $50, $60, $70, $80. See, American Eagles are pegged to spot price. Pandas, they appreciate because they're collectible, their collectible value. But take in note though, American Eagles are growing premiums because of the scarcity. So that the thing I just took note in is starting to change. A couple months ago, a couple years ago, that would have been true. This global pandemic has switched everything up, so we do have to adjust and adapt. So what I just said, take very lightly. Yes, American Eagles are pegged to spot price, but that might not be lasting too much longer, as long as the silver production is being held back. As long as miners keep finding silver as byproduct and not focal silver mines, it's only going to get worse. Who knows? With silver demand picking up, miners might start focusing on supply, but we don't know. from a business standpoint, that doesn't make too much sense. Why would you spend time looking for an ounce of silver that's $25 when you could be looking for an ounce of gold that's worth nearly $2,000? Think of it. If you're trying to put money in your pocket, why would you waste time looking for a metal that's 72 times less valuable or 72 times cheaper than something else? Silver's found by accident. If they're looking for gold, lead, zinc, but if they find some silver on the side, they'll take it, but they're not looking for it. So when it comes down to American Eagles, the U.S. Mint is going to have to boost their numbers, boost the annual supply, or the annual amount of eagles they make per year. It usually is around 14 million. And I know that sounds high, but it used to be a lot higher. The last 3-4 years, the mintage of American Eagles has drastically gone down. It used to be pandas were extremely low mintage at 8 million, but now American Eagles are almost as low as pandas. If you want to look at low mintage numbers, though, look at kookaburras, 300 to 500,000 per year. That's a very small number. That's also what makes kookaburras highly sought after. The design changes every year and extremely low mintage numbers. So if you're looking at silver stacking from more of a higher premium standpoint, look for low mintage numbers. Does the design change every year? But like I said, these are things you're going to be looking for later down the line. At first, just buy American Eagles. You can buy generics, you can buy all the other stuff, but I'm giving you the reason, or I'm giving the reason of an investment standpoint, and what is the safest, smartest, in my opinion, would be stacking American Eagles. Buying tubes of American Eagles, buying them single-handedly. Go to your local coin shop. You can touch it with your bare hands. You can buy the raw. You can buy, the raw coins. You don't have to put them in capsules, really, because it's sold as its metal content, not for its condition. So it is a perfect coin. It's very, very recognizable, and it just makes sense in my opinion. I'm going to wrap this video up here. Check out some of the videos I posted yesterday. I would like to ask you, what price will you sell your silver at? If you really want to see, what the majority of people are selling at, go check out the video I posted last night. It's a very, very good video. A lot of information, a lot of different people posting in the comments what price they're selling at. Yes, it's interesting. It's as interesting as you think it would be. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.